Hello fam, welcome again to the channel. My name is Emanuela, and on this channel I share legit information on different ways to make money online. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you a survey site that you can actually make money online by participating in surveys and doing other offers which I'm going to be revealing in this video. It is actually a popular survey site known as Ysense, which I'm going to be reviewing to you in this video. Alright, as you can see on your screen, this is Ysense. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. They say Ysense is a global online community with multiple earning options. Join now and start earning with paid online surveys, cash offers, and more. So you can sign up by filling your email address here and your password, and you agree to the terms and conditions. You get paid surveys, cash offers, and you equally refer others to this site. So when you sign in or sign up for an account, it will lead you to this section where they say get paid for trying new products and services, downloading apps, sign up for websites, and watching videos and more. For example, these are games right here. As you can see, when I click, it's going to lead me to this section. As you can see, this game pays $79.85, as you can see right here. So these are the different games. This is $50.20, and then this is $17.70. These are all games that you can download and you begin to play. This another game here, as you can see, $241.40 on this side. This another game, $7.62. This another one, $50.90 right here. So how do these actually work? You go ahead and you can download Ysense app directly to your mobile device, and then from this mobile device you can click on any of these games that you want to participate in, and it will take you to Google Play Store or to the Apple Store where you can download these games. And then after following the instruction of each of these games, you will be credited the amounts that you see on your screen that is being allocated beside each and every game that you see on this app. And remember that if you download this app without downloading it directly from Ysense, and even if you follow the instructions, you won't still be paid, because you need to download the apps directly from the Ysense app from the Google Play Store, and you play them, follow the instructions, and you make any of the amounts listed on the screen. And when you click on surveys right here, is going to lead you to this section where you can begin to participate in different surveys. For now, I don't have surveys. What I actually have right now is survey profile. These are surveys that are allocated to my profile for me to answer. As you can see, I have 26 cents right here. I'm just going to go ahead and answer some of these questions so that you see how my balance will change as I answer all these questions. And you can see they say you can earn 2 cents for every 10 questions. All you need to do is to click on choose your answer, read a question, choose your answer, then you click on answer here to send your answer. As you can see, they say congratulations, you have earned 2 cents. So let's go over to my total. As you can see, I'm going to refresh it because it's still showing 26 cents. So I'm just going to go ahead to refresh this page right here so that you can see the increase that I have gotten in my balance here. As you can see, 28 cents from just signing up with Ysense and answering my profile questions. So I can go on and on and on to answer all these questions. We equally have what we call daily poll, where you answer one question each day and you make 1 cent. All you need to do is to click here. Then when you click, you read the question. For example, do you set specific deadline or time frame for tasks on your to-do list? Yes, in every week, yes, for important tasks only. Then that's all. The 1 cent will be credited to your balance. So I'm just going to refresh. As you can see here, 29 cents. So this is how you can continue and go over and over. They say with daily poll here, you have already completed today's daily poll. Come back tomorrow to earn more. So you can be doing this every day to earn 1 cent while participating in different offers. As you can see right here, these are different offers here, which are offers. For example, this is $35, $40, $22, $25, $40, $25. These are offers that you can participate in. Then we affiliate. When you click on the affiliate program, this is my referral link here, which I can refer others to sign up for, and I make referral commission, which you too can do as well. So I'm going to leave my referral link in the description box below so that you can use it to sign up for Ysense account. So how do you get paid on Ysense? When I click on cash out here, you can see Amazon gift cards. So there are different Amazon gift cards here that you can be paid through, in which you can select any of them. We equally have Skrill right here. Then we have Payoneer here. So there are different types of Amazon gift cards here. We have Amazon UK and so on. We equally have PayPal right here with different amount, and we have Zalando. As you can see, we have PayPal in euros and we have PayPal in dollars. So there are different cash out methods here as well. So with Payoneer and PayPal, you can check my video on how to create a Payoneer account and how to create a PayPal account, which I'm going to leave the videos in the description box for you to follow the step-to-step guide on how to do so. So this is how you can make money on Ysense from your country, and I know that Ysense is available worldwide. So all you need to do is to go ahead and register for a Ysense account from your country, and you begin to participate in surveys, and you use any of the cash out methods that you have seen on the screen, cash out your money. So I hope you find value in this video, and if you do, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and also go ahead and subscribe to this channel by hitting on the red subscribe button below this video, and also the notification bell, so that anytime a new video drops on this channel, you will be the first to be notified. Also give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and loved ones. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next one.